In today's video, I'll show you how to use Typeform for quiz building, and you'll have a working multiple-choice quiz live in about 2 minutes. Typeform's AI does the heavy lifting here, so you don't have to write every question from scratch. Let's jump in. From your dashboard, click the Create Form button in the top left. Typeform opens with its AI assistant. Instead of building a quiz question by question, you just describe the quiz you want in plain English, and it writes the questions and answer options for you. Here the request is a world geography quiz with 3 multiple-choice questions. Now click the send arrow. Give it around 20 seconds. Typeform is writing your questions, picking sensible answer options for each one, and adding a welcome screen at the front so the quiz has a proper opening. Here's the result. 3 geography questions, each with multiple-choice answers, plus that welcome screen. You can read through the whole thing before you commit to it. When the questions look good, click Create Form. And now you're in the editor with a real quiz. Every question sits in the left panel, and clicking one opens its answer options on the right, so you can reword anything or add and remove choices. One thing worth knowing, the AI builds the quiz layout, but it won't mark which answers are correct or total up a score. That part you set yourself in the logic panel on the right, where you assign points to each answer and send people to a different ending depending on how they did. When the quiz is ready, click Share at the top. That gives you a live link to send out, a QR code if you want people scanning it in a room, and embed options to drop the quiz onto your own site. So that's it. Describe your quiz, let the AI write the questions, tidy them up in the editor, then share the link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.